U amali ka seng Congress u Zenith sangma ha ka partrik jilio ulo ong la daya ka jella ondang peteng ban ïalam do Conrad ke sangma kumu Myntri Rangbah bat u hanmen jong u kumu Myntri bakmi yak boarding klempep kin sade ya ka MeECL ha kisan banai ki ban sawan ha ka kerwo ka bolo pha siklap tai khbor u Zenith ulo ong bo kwa bantep bat kanong rim jong kiseng rulum ki bakarsian ya ka jinglong nong ïalam u Conrad ke sangma u Zenith la pentep bawat hakum kani ka por baka klam covid kaba kipai pa kidang ikon persya ya ka covid ki nong ïalam ki bayalam ya ka MeECL ki tremit bat singi ban persang ban yet ikilat kumno ban deno ya ka MeECL shushu u Zenith ulong kum ki nong ïalam ki bodan ha ka yang persya kadai ka kamram jongki ban kren ha badon ka jingile persya da ka sorkar ya ka mon bat ka hok kipai ba
to know the stand of the regional parties who are supporting Mr. Conrad led government. Are they really serious, or are they just playing to the gallery? As far as the corruption issues are concerned in the state, particularly with the MeECL, it's been more than 1 year now that I have been raising the issue of corruption in MeECL. About the mismanagement, about the intention of the government and the leadership in the government and MeECL in moving forward, in ultimately selling off the MeECL. Now, what I could see, it is going out of hand. Even during this pandemic, when every citizen is fighting with the dreaded disease coronavirus, COVID-19, the leadership in the MeECL is working overtime to sell off the entire MeECL, its assets, allegedly at the behest of the Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad and the Minister of Power, Mr. James. The present government, led by Mr. Conrad is not supposed to be allowed to continue even for a single day. It has become very dangerous. I am telling you, if they are allowed to be in the government, within next 4 to 5 months, they will sell off the MeECL. And they are firm, what I could see. And they are arrogant, and they are careless, and will definitely go ahead with whatever they are intending to do. Come what may. The Conrad led government is insensitive. The policies adopted by the government are all anti-people. And in the democratic system, the people are the ultimate owner of all this. Therefore, if this is not stopped, we will have to go to the people organize massive educational program across the state of Meghalaya. Why we are here? We have also the responsibility to play the role of a constructive opposition. So nothing doing, we cannot just be as silent spectators.